stop watching. Literally. If you're using your current Apple TV 4K and thinking, this is great, but it could be more, you're about to find out exactly what more looks like. The little black box that sits under your TV is about to become the most powerful home entertainment hub on the planet. We're not talking about a subtle chip bump. We're talking about a complete internal re-engineering based on multiple high-level whispers and leaked supply chain data. The next-generation Apple TV 4K is poised to disrupt not just streaming, but console gaming, smart home control, and media fidelity itself. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. For the next 30 minutes, we are exposing every major rumor, every patent, and every potential game-changing feature that Apple is secretly building into their next media box. You need to hear this before you buy anything else. Let's dive in. Let's start with the engine. The current chip is good, but Apple is rumored to be stuffing the next Apple TV 4K with something truly insane. The A17 or even an M-series-based chip. Think about that. That's a processing leap that transforms the device from a streamer to a legitimate competitor for dedicated gaming consoles. Why? It's not just about snappy menus. It's about ray tracing in mobile games, console-quality titles running natively on your TV, and the ability to handle multiple simultaneous video streams without breaking a sweat. This massive performance bump is the foundation for every other feature we're going to discuss. It's the difference between a nice hobbyist machine and a pro-level entertainment powerhouse. For years, people have dreamed of a true Apple gaming console. The next Apple TV 4K, according to the leaks, might be just that. With the massive chip upgrade, we anticipate Apple Arcade will finally get its AAA moment. We're hearing whispers about optimized games with 60 FPS minimum targets and visual fidelity that closes the gap with dedicated gaming platforms. But the real leak? A potential redesign of the Siri Remote or a brand new dedicated gaming controller accessory, designed to provide console-quality haptics and precision. Apple knows the money is in gaming subscriptions, and this box is their launch pad. It's not just a streamer anymore, it's a gaming platform disguised as a media hub. The Apple TV 4K has always been a HomeKit hub, but the next version is rumored to go far beyond. With a powerful new chip, it's set to become the ultimate thread border router. This means instantaneous, reliable communication with hundreds of smart devices across your entire home. The leaks suggest a deeper integration with Apple's vision of ambient computing. Imagine the Apple TV not just streaming, but actively managing power consumption, security cameras, and automations with zero lag. We're hearing about a dedicated Home Hub OS layer that runs constantly, even when the TV is off. It's the brain of your digital home, making every other smart hub obsolete through sheer speed and integration. While most people are still settling into 4K, the leaks are already pointing toward 8K readiness. Even if 8K content isn't mainstream yet, the ability of the new chip to process and upscale content to near 8K levels will be a subtle, but visible visual treat on large screens. On the audio front, expect a massive leap in spatial audio processing. The new hardware is rumored to handle more simultaneous Dolby Atmos channels, giving you a wider, taller, and more immersive soundscape, even with simpler speaker setups. We're looking at enhanced HDMI